Oh, hi.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm Kendra.
No, you're not.
Oh, yeah, we're the Heartbreakers.
I'm Diamond, though.
Yeah, and we're killing the Rooster Boys.
And Mr. What did Craig say he was? I didn't get
I
the.
didn't get it neither.
He said it too fast for me. Then he pulled up his pants. Get it?
Oh,
Yeah.
that video? Lame.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna act out some parts. I'm gonna do my favorite part, Craig. Here you go, Craig. He got a gun!
Oh my god.
What's your favorite part?
That part, but it looks like you already acted it out, so.
You can do it again.
No, I'm good.
Okay. I got a few questions. What's up with the annoying banana?
Yeah.
And Fag, what was in your mouth?
A Tootsie Roll. I think it
Oh,
was.
I don't know what it is, but I don't want to say it.
Ooh.
Yeah. Did you know he do that?
No. Disgusting.
Secrets.
Whoa.
Even though you're my boyfriend, but still.
Yeah. This
Do y'all
is.
have like little sugar in y'all tank? Cause y'all act like it. For real, it's okay. What's up with you and this blood and stuff? Like,
Oh my god. That was ketchup, wasn't it?
yeah,
Oh my
ketchup or
gosh.
whatever. And Donovan, you are so silly, doing yellow dances. Well,
He had a gun. Did you see that?
yeah, that was so lame though, but at least I tried. Thanks.
Yeah, this is disc number 1. Lego.
Deuces. Bye.